Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Picture Manager and immediately making a backup copy. That protects your original image. Once done, choose the photo and open picture, right arrow Edit Pictures so the tool panel appears. Use crop and resize first to isolate the subject roughly. This reduces complexity for the next steps. Make sure to work on the copy and set a tight crop around the subject so you remove obvious background areas and make the replacement easier in the next stage. Picture Manager lacks a true background removal tool, so export the cropped image as PNG to retain quality. Once exported, open it with Paint or another simple editor via Open With. This handoff is the only reliable workflow inside Office Era tools. In the external editor, use selection tools to cut the subject free or erase the background, then paste the subject onto a new background image. Make sure edges are smoothed and saved as PNG to preserve any transparency or hard cutout. Now save the combined image from your external editor as the final file type, PNG if you need transparency or JPG for flattened photos. Reopen that file in Picture Manager to run final color correction, brightness, and compression so the output matches your project needs. If you see halos or mismatched edges, undo and re-edit in the external editor, soften edges, or tighten the crop and re-export. That single extra pass usually fixes visible seams and ensures a clean final background change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.